Hello everyone, welcome to Charlie the Steak. Now, I know none of you guys have been asking me to do this, but I decided to take a look. Now, this is not the real version, this is the real version, but I mean, this is not like the old version and stuff like that. Like, you did not have cheats in this version, but in the old version you do. So this is basically a pre-release of Charlie the Steak. This is a pre-release for the game. Now this is released by the same developers of Charlie the Steak. Anyways, enough talk. Let's get right into the video. Now, I turned the music off because, well, yeah, I kind of want to put my own music in the video. So, we got all these weapons. So, we got the hot sauce. We got like a fire thing. I don't know what's that supposed to represent. We got a knife. And we got a meat tenderizer. Let's begin with the hot sauce. So, yeah. Yes, I would not want that. I mean, nobody wants that, but yeah. What is this?
Hey.
Nobody cooks a steak like that. Seriously, who cooks a steak with a blowtorch? Because that's not the right way to cook a steak. Now, I know in the old version, you have one minigame, but it looks like there's 3 in this one. Let's begin from top to bottom. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a classic minigame. Hello? Now the problem is I don't tap to throw the knife. I have to swipe up to throw the knife. And it's hard to throw. Oh, I got one. I got another one. I got... I mean, I would not want to eat this kind of steak for dinner. I gotta say that. Why do some steaks look moldy and some of them don't? Okay, 3 hits. Okay, yeah. Let's go to this one. Okay. Okay, this is a kind of boring minigame. What, did you lick my hand? Okay, no misses. That's great. Okay, last one. Tilts to steer. Okay, so we can jump. Okay. Oh, that's what those shadows were. Okay, wait, let me play again. Okay. Dude, when I put music off, I thought it was only for... I jumped too early. When I put music off, I thought it was only for the main menu, not for like everything. Okay, so we got medium level. Oh, we can already upgrade. And then rare and raw, which we can't do. Now, yeah, this version does not have cheats, so yeah. Oh, we got more weapons. Okay, so we got the pepper shaker. Then we got the pliers. Then I'm assuming it's the blowtorch again. And then the bloody knife. And a bloody meat tenderizer. Okay, can I still pick the hot sauce? No, I can't. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. How can you sneeze if you have no nose? That's quite concerning. God, dude, leave the poor steak alone. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it's too close.
Hey.
Golly gee, that's not a way to cook a steak. At least not in my book. Okay, this time it's straight down the middle.
Hey.
And then the bloody meat tenderizer. Okay, yeah, it's the same. Okay, so we also got this off air. What if I turn it on? Okay. Like, what? Shut up! Anyways, I don't even know what there's really to do right now. So, yeah. Just tell me in the comments what I should do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!